I'm setting out on a bold challenge. To turn just $500 into $1 million with Tesla stock? Sounds crazy. Maybe, but let's see if this wild goal can actually happen. Investing in the stock market can feel like an unpredictable adventure, and Tesla is one of the most volatile stocks out there. The dream of turning a small investment into a life-changing fortune is exciting. But is it realistic? Tesla's journey has been filled with massive ups and downs, and for new investors, the question remains, where do you begin? The stock market often feels overwhelming, especially if you're new. You have to research carefully, track market news, and make calculated choices about buying and selling. And let's not forget the risk losing money can happen just as quickly as making it. No wonder so many people hesitate and wonder if it's really worth the effort. A lot of beginners avoid investing simply because they don't know the first step. The fear of losing everything on one bad call is real. With Tesla's unpredictable swings, it's easy to feel unsure. But what if I told you that with strategy, research, and maybe some luck, you could actually transform a small sum into something much bigger? One thing many people overlook is emotional control. Investors often panic when the price drops or get greedy when it rises too fast. Learning to manage your emotions and stick to your plan is just as important as picking the right stock. Investing isn't just about guessing and hoping. It's about learning the company inside out, analyzing its financial health, and evaluating its growth potential. Even then, success isn't guaranteed. That's what makes this game both challenging and fascinating. So why does Tesla stand out for so many investors? The brand has revolutionized the electric vehicle space. Building a passionate following and shaping the future of sustainable energy, with bold innovations and global expansion, Tesla represents both risk and huge potential reward. But let's be honest, Tesla's stock has been a roller coaster. At times it's soared to jaw-dropping highs, and at others it has fallen sharply. Watching the ride can make your head spin. The real trick is staying informed and aligning every decision with your long-term investment goals. Another factor is innovation. Tesla isn't just about cars, it's about batteries, energy storage, solar technology, and even AI-driven projects. If these succeed, the company's future could be much bigger than just vehicles, which makes the stock even more interesting. One of the toughest parts of investing is timing. Do you buy now or wait? When's the right time to cash out? Get it right, and you could earn big. Get it wrong, and the losses can hurt. That thrill and fear is exactly what makes stock market investing so addictive. Tesla's backstory is nothing short of remarkable. From a small electric car startup to a global automotive giant, the company's rise has been extraordinary. Its growth has been mirrored in its stock price, which has delivered both surprises and fortunes. Still, no investment comes without risk. Tesla isn't immune to competition, financial pressure, or shifting markets. For investors ready to face uncertainty, the possible rewards may outweigh the dangers, but the risk always remains. Let's not forget competition. Big automakers like Ford, GM, and even newer EV startups are racing to catch up. While Tesla has the advantage of being a pioneer, the battle in the electric vehicle market is heating up, and that adds another layer of risk for investors. One unforgettable moment in Tesla's history came in 2020, when its stock skyrocketed to record highs. In just months, its price more than doubled, turning it into one of the year's most profitable stocks. For those who invested early, the payoff was incredible, but risks don't vanish. What happens if the price crashes? What if the company's finances take a hit? These are serious questions that every smart investor has to consider before diving in. Managing those risks requires discipline. You need thorough research, portfolio diversification, and the patience to make decisions based on facts, not emotions. This isn't about instant wealth. It's about building a strategy for the long run. At the end of the day, investing in Tesla or any stock requires deep understanding of both the business and the broader market. Success doesn't come from throwing money blindly. It comes from knowledge, patience, and persistence. So can $500 realistically become $1 million through Tesla stock? It's a bold goal, not impossible, but definitely not easy. Smart, steady, and well-informed investing is the only way to even come close. The upside of Tesla is clear: strong branding, innovative products, and loyal customers. With those strengths, the company has room to grow in for brave investors. The chance for huge gains is very real. But remember, Wise investing means preparation. Don't jump in without studying the company and weighing both risks and rewards. Knowledge is your greatest tool for success. Tesla's influence also extends to the broader stock market. Whenever big news about the company breaks, whether it's a new product launch, it's a factory expansion, or even a tweet from Elon Musk, it often sends ripples across the entire EV sector. This shows how powerful investor sentiment can be in shaping short-term stock performance. Another key element in Tesla's story is leadership. Elon Musk's vision and bold decision-making have been central to Tesla's success. Love him or hate him, Musk's ability to drive innovation and capture global attention has created a strong narrative around Tesla, which directly impacts its stock value. Finally, investors should remember that long-term success often comes from patience. Even if Tesla's stock goes through downturns, those who stay invested with a strong strategy may see greater rewards over time. Building wealth is rarely about quick wins, it's about consistency, research, and making decisions that align with your financial goals. If you've got experiences or thoughts about Tesla stock, share them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more insights on smart investing and financial growth.